Good afternoon, Power Wash Store, Central PA. We're working today on our Liberty SoftWash truck here, and we are actually replacing one of the electric hose reels. The hose reel that we were replacing is the one that was on the bottom of the second stack here, and it was actually one of our original reels that we had from, about 7 years ago. So we are replacing that here. We're going to have 2 more additional hose reels that we'll stack on top of here. You can see here, because of stacking them 3 high, we do have some bracing added here, so that's tied in with the truck over there. And then over here on the left hand side, you can see that bracing that will be tied in with those other 2 hose reels that are currently on the floor, but will eventually be back up here. As far as the electric goes, each of these hose reels is daisy chained together, and then it runs off of the pressure washer battery. These are the 18-inch electric hose reels. And we just love them. You can do about 300 feet of hose in about 1.5 minutes. If you're looking to purchase these or have any questions, give us a call, 717-378-2276. We do actually have some of these in stock here at our show or at our showroom. So if you're interested in getting one, you can stop by here and pick it up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.